Welcome to Double Volume Bullish channel. Today I want to share with you regarding one of the very famous company stock. That's Apple. So Apple, actually you can look at the photo here. This is Apple Park in the state. So it's worth $5 billion. So this is Apple. So Apple actually, many people use Apple phone, and those lucky people, they afford to buy Apple. So unfortunately, those maybe not afford to buy the good Apple phone. So of course the competitor come up with a cheap phone, so cheap smartphone. Thank you for them, and they can just fill that market and fulfill those people who like to use the mobile phone. So there is Apple. So we're talking about Apple in the new stock market in the Nasdaq. So what happened if you look into the Nasdaq? So what you do is we can look at the week chart first. So if you look at the week chart, Apple actually very strong stock in all the way, we can say bull all the way. So it's a bull market all the way since it is the what we call it, the listed before. And of course when it started of the mobile phone in 1 years, 1 then the price is put up very fast. So what happened if you want to trade in the stock market in US? So selecting stock is very important. So if you look into Apple, so it's quite related to the Nasdaq index. So if the index is doing well, of course Apple definitely is doing well. So that is a thing that you have to really think about how you want to trade in the US market. So for example, it's quite interesting if you want to trade in the what we call that, the US stock. So if you want to buy on the what we call it, the uptrend, so that will be a market that you need to know. So in the stock market for the US Apple, actually you no need to have many indicator to trade. Of course, you need some the skill on the price and the volume. So if you really think about how to trade, for example, we just want to focus one thing called Morningstar. So of course, not all the Morningstar is making and give you a profit, yeah. But to me, in the stock market, in the US stock market, if you really look into the candlestick, for example, so we start with the Apple 2023. So you can see later on the 2024 to 2025, and you can do the case study as well. So what you need to do is you just go through the candle by candle. This is a day chart candle, yeah. So what we need to look into it is some of the candle that give you look alike. Oh, it's definitely what we call it, the Morningstar. So if not really what we have to get 100% of the what we call it, the pattern, but something like this, there is a Morningstar here. So if the Morningstar come out, what you need to do is you just draw a line here. In the future, if the price shoot up this area, then you buy. So of course you buy here as well. So you make money. So this is how actually you can just easily to make sure that this stock in the US, okay, you have to make money. You can make money. So of course you can see that here another Morningstar. So you jump in the market late a bit, and this is the Morningstar, and then you draw a line. So straight away you earn a few candle here. So this is a Morningstar, yeah. So this is also a Morningstar, but it's not really perfect. So we can call it, it's a bit abnormal. So you draw a line here. So you actually buy somewhere here and drop below, not over this. You can just keep the stock and then you make money. So all the way, and here is a Morningstar again. So you can see there's so many. So you draw a line and then you can check in somewhere here, and here also Morningstar, and then this is not. So this is not, here also a Morningstar. So you can buy it. So here is not a perfect one, so we don't keep it. Here is Morningstar. So this is not a perfect Morningstar. So it's not a gap down, but gap up here. So if the left side, if the gap down, or right side is a gap up, so we can consider that pattern. For example, here. So this is not a gap down. So but this is a gap up position. So this is quite good. So if you look into nearest picture, so actually this is quite a good one. So you see this is a gap up. So in the US stock, of course I need to uh, analyze the volume as well lah. So here I don't spend time on the analyzing on the volume. So normally we want to hit those those on the what we call it, the bottom, something like this. So something like this. So this is a gap down and gap up. So it's a different. So this is a gap down, and then this is not a gap up. So the following day only gap up. So this is also okay. So you can put it here. So this is okay. So you can continue doing that for April for the years to come. So I can say year to come. So of course from here you see gap down and gap up. So this is the first one. This is also the first one. So what you need to do is you draw a line here. So this is a very very critical area. So you go up and go down. So actually you can make some little profit here. So not much, but you can still okay for 2%. So you still are waiting for the next boom for Apple. So for the fundamentally, Apple is a very strong company. The product is still well known all worldwide, and people is still happy using Apple phone, computer, and etc. So the product is still very healthy. So, of course, the target of the Apple is still going up. So you can see that Apple is doing very well on the financial, and of course the sales is booming up again after hit by Huawei. And of course, there is a certain market belong to Apple and certain market belong to Huawei. So definitely they are overtake Samsung at this time. So this is something that you can really look into it if you want to trade in Apple in the Nasdaq or in the US stock. So here is no call buy and call sell, but from my personal experience, of course, if you trade Apple from one position to another position, you make 5%, then you can sell it. For example, here we have a Morningstar, and we buy in here. We can sell here 12%. We can sell here 15%. Not a problem. So here, of course, this is the Morningstar shoot up, and then we buy somewhere here. Of course, drop few days. So we still make 5%. End of the day. So of course, this is something that we're talking about. The trend of the bull market. So if you go into the bear market of the what we call it, the Apple. So this is considered a bear. So this is considered a bear. How you buy in the bear market? Of course, for example, here also the Morningstar. You buy here, probably you don't make money and then you lost. You have to cut loss here. So that is come to the point that you have to learn how to analyze the volume, you see. So definitely if you come to my class, I will tell you the secret of it. The secret why we don't want to trade in, we want to buy in this area for bull market. So we don't buy here because of course because there's the Morningstar, and then we buy. No. So you can see that this is also the Morningstar. Of course, a drop and then not shoot up. So here is okay, but the price not shooting up over the Morningstar pattern. So that is okay. So but this is not okay. Yeah. So this is not the Morningstar. Yeah. So this is we skip that one. And of course here, you can see here drop and then shoot up again somewhere here. So why we don't buy at a certain morning star? Why we want to buy at a certain morning star? That is come to the volume. So you need to analyze whether the momentum of the seller is stronger or the momentum of the buyer is stronger. So that is the key thing that you can get the answer from the volume. So if you want to learn how to trade in the stock market, you really come to contact us, and then we will bring you step by step. So you can see my previous video when I talk about the Meta. Meta, when I start talking about Meta is in 2022, about November. So I'm put all the bit into Meta comparing to the Tesla. So finally, Meta shooting up from below 100 to $500. So this is how we go to estimate, how we look into the chart pattern, and we go look into the company, and then we look into the market, and that is what we want to teach you in the class. So if you're interested, please contact me, and definitely we give you the best out of it, and hopefully you follow us, and once you follow us until 24 months, definitely you are on the track in winning in the stock market.